Greetings to all. I am going to handle the course name Business Research Methods in the topic Executive Summary. An executive summary means it is a brief overview of the entire research report meant for quick understanding by the decision makers. It is written after the report but placed at the beginning of the document. Why is it needed means it is for the quick insight. We will know about what is the report all about and what are the contents of the report and how the contents of the report has been segregated and what is the importance in that report and how we are going to handle all the situations and so on. So from this executive summary, we will have a quick review about what is what. Next one is summarizes key points. So it will summarize about the key points. So as I already told you, it will give a insight about what are the key points and which is a point which is being given first and which is the point which is being given second, third and fourth and so on. And it gives the importance, that is how what are the important contents of this report. Next, decision making. From this executive summary, we will very well know whether we can go along with the particular thing, whether we can proceed with the particular aspects or not. Or else if it is from the executive summary itself, they will take a decision whether it has to be continued or this is what this. So they can go for the next step and for further proceedings. Next one is this professional communication. This executive summary is exclusively a professional communication which deals with a professionalism. There will be a communication which will be dealt with the professionalism. Certainly it will have its own impact and so on. Typically includes research purpose. This executive summary is for research, exclusively for research purpose. That is, many people will be handling this particular executive summary from the, that is who are the end users. It is not for one man, it is for many people and they will be dealing accordingly for the research purpose. Next one is the methodology. The methodology is exclusively deals with the research design. Who are the respondents? What is the sample size? And what is the scope of the particular study, to whom it has been done, and who are the respondents for this particular study, and what are the analysis which has been done, the analysis which it has been dealt with, and what is the findings, what is the analysis from that, what is the key findings, from the key findings what is the conclusion which you are going to give under the suggestions. The suggestion plays a very important role where it will be suggestions will be for the various people, that is for this, if it is been related to a society, it will deals with the societal nature and its impact, and if it is deals with the particular company or particular organization or to a particular industry, it will deal accordingly to the industries and so on. And if it is for particular group of people, only it has to have its reach, they can go along with their reach and so on. So likewise, this executive summary will have all the coverages from the beginning till the end. It will have all the insights. So next one is the recommendations. From the conclusion and suggestions, if you want to recommend to anyone, you can certainly recommend to the people to whom it has been concerned and to whom we have to give the consultations and whom you have to deal with all these things. You can certainly recommend and you can have a record over this. So this executive summary, which is a very brief summary, but it summarizes a whole research report which it has been dealt with and so on. Certainly it will be very useful for the people who are the end users or people who are in need of this particular report. Next one, chapterization. In a research report, chapters are divided into five. Number one, chapter one, introduction to the study. Chapter two, review of literature. That is review of related literature. And from that review of literature, we will collect the data related to the reviews. That is both national studies as well as international studies. From that review of literature, we will collect the research gap. So based on the research gap only, we will decide about whether we can continue with this topic or not, and so on. And these is being dealt in the chapter 2. Next one, chapter 3, it deals with the research methodology. So the methodology in which we are going to deal with this, that is what is the sample size, what is the proposed analysis, what is the expectations, and so on. Fourth one, data analysis and interpretation. From the data analysis and interpretation, we will deal with the data, and from that we will do what are the necessary analysis which are needed and what is the particular thing, and so on. Next one is the findings. So findings, suggestions and recommendations, and it is further for the scope of further study.